How do you create different emotions or dynamics in a song without using any extra effort? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do that. My name's Carrie Griffiths and I've been a singer, and I've been a singer for more than 20 years, and I've been a voice coach helping speakers, singers and coaches for almost 20 years with their voices and to enhance their delivery and performances. So there are 3 different ways that you can approach words or phrases in a song. So the first is the breathy approach. Sometimes these things are called an attack, a breathy attack. And this is where you use more air. You can create this sound by imagining that there's an H at the beginning of the word, or using a word with an H like have, how, here. So when you practice those words, here, you can hear that you use more air at the beginning of the word. Here, hey, hey. And you can use this to create more of a soft, legato, flowy type sound. And you can use this to create a softer type of emotion, like love or reflection or sadness maybe. And it doesn't have to be used with words that begin with H. You can use it on any word that has an open sound at the beginning. Ooh. So lots of songs have an ooh, oohs and ahs. They tend to work quite well with breathy approach. The next is a glottal approach. So this is a complete opposite. Oi, oi, a. And they called it puppy love. That's the only song I can think of at the moment with that sound at the beginning. That's a glottal attack. You might hear it a lot in rock and pop songs. And the third approach is the blended approach. This is a combination of the breathy approach, hey, and the glottal approach, and they called it. And this can be heard at the beginning of a lot of pop songs, gospel songs, soul songs, and in fact it's used all the time. And you can hear it in the song by Whitney Houston, oh, I want to dance with somebody. So that's neither breathy nor glottal, so it's a blended approach. So you can really have some fun with this, play around with the different sounds using the sound H, have, who, hear, or using the glottal approach, oi, a, ah, and then combining and practicing the blended approach, a, ooh, yeah. Yeah is a good sound for a blended approach. Yeah, whoa, whoa is good as well. So have some fun, play around with those. Let me know if this has helped, and I would love to hear about anything that you would like me to help you with specifically. I will make a video for you. So leave a comment in the comment section. All of these tips have come from my ebook that you can download completely free. The link is in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure that you like and comment, let me know, and share with someone that you think will find it beneficial. If there's anything that you'd like me to help you with, then do leave a comment and I will make a video specifically for you. I'll see you very, very soon. Take care, stay hydrated. Ciao!